All right, so for this next one, we're going to do page 124, example 1. And first I want to make sure that I'm in millimeters. I am. I'm in millimeters. Go to your XY plane, make sure your front view is set. Click on the corner. Set current view is fixed to distance. Fits view. And then I'm going to click on create sketch. Click on XY plane. And I'm kind of seeing how I could do this. Let me see if I could do this easily. Maybe even using an offset command. So using the line command, I'll start on origin. So click on here, click on here, click on here, click on here, and click OK. I'm going to dimension these. 66. I don't know that dimension. This one is 50. I don't think that one's 50. It's 50. This one's 54. $54, 50. What's the thickness of this? 20? 12? So 50 plus 12? I'm gonna guess. I think it's going to be 62. Then I don't know the dimension. You know what? I know the dimension of here to here. And that one's 120. Okay? But bear with me because I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to do an offset command and I'm going to go in. This is why I'm planning to make sure that I do this correctly. And of course the thickness is 12, right? And then I'm going to close it up. There, see it's closed. I think that this dimension and this are in the same line. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to make this collinear. So this line and this line are on the same line. I'm not 100% sure of that, but yeah, actually it is. Okay, so that's correct. All right, so it's fully constrained. Click on Finish Sketch. I could do a symmetrical, and this one 64. Okay. And then from there, we're going to do a chamfer here in the front. So we're going to go to chamfer. I'm going to select this line here. You'll see it go in, right? And that one's going to be distance and angle. So it's 10, and then it's 45 degrees. And then there's another chamfer here. Chamfer. This one, I'm going to do them separate because they're kind of mirrored. So this one's going to be to distance, right? So this one is 10, and this one is 20. And then I'll do the other one, chamfer. $20, 10, and it should look like that. We're getting close to the end. We're going to do the fillets now. You got to pay attention because the inside fillets, this one and then these two, are going to be the same. So I'm going to select fillet, I'm going to select this one, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to select this one. And that 8. But then the outside ones, this one, and this one, 20. It's coming together, right? Okay. Then we're going to do our holes. I'll start with this one. So create sketch, click on this face. We have 2 circles. They're going to be equal. They're going to be on the same horizontal line, right? And then we just need to dimension them. So dimension this line to this circle is going to be 30. They're going to be 10 diameter. And then the distance between here and here is 34. And then the distance between here and here is 15. It's fully constrained. Finish sketch. Distance all. Create sketch, click on this plane. We'll do the same thing. Actually, yeah, that's just a circle. So it's going to be right in the middle, right? And that one's 20. So you can actually dimension it from here to here. It's supposed to be 33. And then here to here it's 32. See how it's black? Oh. Okay, so the last step is going to be a hole right here, but I need to use the hole command. So click on the hole command, click on this, I'm going to reference this one, and that's going to be, you know what, I'm going to delete this reference. And then I'm going to reference this one. This one's going to be through all. So all. And countersink. So the wide one's 24. This hole is 20. And it says 82 degrees. And there it is. And it cuts through the whole thing. And that's it.